I see these turkey vultures flying all around. I'm actually looking for hawks, but I don't know. I find these things particularly interesting. Um, they got a very big wingspan. I mean, there's probably at least, probably can't see it on the GoPro cam, but I'll show you on the camera. There's probably at least a good 3, 4 in that tree right now, and 10 all around me. They're also hanging down here at the beach. You see one right over here. Yeah, just hovering all around. It's pretty windy, so it's good for them with their big wingspan, easier for them to take off. As big as they are and as slow as they are, I'm having trouble with them a little bit because their speed just varies so much. And they catch the wind and they glide fast, and then they go slow, then they glide fast. So trying to follow it, especially because I'm fairly new, trying to track birds in flight, I'm just having to get used to it. Definitely having trouble right now as the trees move. My autofocus keeps picking up the background of the branches moving as he sits still. So I don't know if I got anything there. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that shot on the camera. Ugh. Looks like a pretty cool shot. Light's getting pretty dark. You can see them way up there in the sky, just flying above me. Okay. There we go. We like to get the water in the background. Come fly over there again. Come on. Fading away. Oh, I hope I caught some there. Man, I wanted to get him gliding across the water in the background, but he's going behind the bushes and the trees. So I'm not sure if I caught one. I'm afraid to look. I want to miss another shot. Learn that lesson before. Check it later. Oh, they're right above me. Check it out. Okay. Where we at? Ooh, who wants some? Who wants some? Ah, man, I'm clipping the wings. I have a teleconverter on right now too, so I keep zooming too much. Yeah. Okay, right there. Come on. Ah, there you go. Come on. I want somebody lower. Actually, belly shots are a little crow. Little change. Ah, missed them. Posted up in this tree now. I mean, that's it. Okay, go sideways. They keep going away. I think I need to, I'm gonna move. That's what I'm gonna do. I want to try and get another angle. I need to move. Let's see, that light background. I'm just gonna go to the other side over there. So I'm trying to get in a position where the light will work in my favor as best as I can. They're kind of dark subjects, so maybe if I don't have the light in the background, it'll come out better.